Good afternoon. It's a good afternoon here in Uganda, Africa, please. It's a good afternoon here in Uganda, Africa. We have this recipe today. We are going to enjoy our Grambeans, which are known as mungbeans. There are many benefits in these beans. Please, let's prepare our lunch. We have also sweet potato. We'll be pairing our Grambeans with sweet potatoes, so stay tuned. We have a lot of benefits from this recipe of the day. Grambeans, which are also known as mungbeans, are a good source of proteins, are also rich in other nutrients like fiber and vitamins. They can control also our blood pressure and blood sugar levels, so include Grambeans in your diet at least once in a week for a better healthy. With sweet potato also, they are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They provide a number of benefits and are easy to add to our diet. So please, let's prepare our lunch. We are going to enjoy mungbeans with sweet potatoes. Stay tuned and watch the video until the end. For those who haven't subscribed the channel, please, you're highly welcome. The channel is all about cooking, it's all about food. Come, we enjoy our lunch. It's now time to cook our mungbeans. Called Grambeans, mungbeans. So stay tuned, let's prepare our lunch. We are going to steam our sweet potato, so wait for the end results when we are serving our lunch. Our Grambeans are also here cooking. Let's prepare our organic lunch, African way. Our beans are almost. We are going to fry our beans while our potato here also on fire. Stay tuned. Let's cook our lunch. It's now time to fry our Grambeans. Grambeans are here ready. We have onions, tomato, green pepper. We are going to add in only 3 ingredients. So stay tuned, let's cook our lunch. Green pepper. We are going to add in green pepper to our onion. Let's cook our Grambeans. We are going to pair our Grambeans with sweet potato. It's also here cooking. Steamed sweet potato. Our Grambeans, mungbeans are now ready. Let's wait. Let's wait for our potatoes. So they are cooking well. Our steamed potato, sweet potato. My lunch is now ready. We are going to serve our lunch. As you can See, our food is now ready. Our steamed potato is now ready. Let's go and enjoy our lunch. So thank you for staying with us. Thank you for watching. For those who haven't subscribed the channel, you subscribe. And the returning ones, we really appreciate, please. Thank you for choosing this channel. Continue subscribing. Continue viewing our videos. Let's go and enjoy our lunch, which is sweet potato and Grambeans. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
My juice.
Let's enjoy our traditional meal, African lunch. Come, we enjoy our lunch. Here's our banana juice, beans, have sweet potato.